These animals right behind me are the largest native terrestrial mammal still alive today in the UK. It is autumn, and because of this, we have males in rut. And he won't tolerate smaller males trying to vie for that. So all the smaller males here must be on their toes. The younger stags are just practicing for now because they know they can't compete with the big guy. Like roe deer and many deer around the world that are known as buck for a male and doe as a female, for red deer it is a stag for a male and a hind for a female. Red deer is truly an awesome animal and deserves to be loved as much as it is here in the UK. There are around 400,000 red deer roaming throughout the UK at any given moment. Being large herbivores, these animals need to eat a lot of plant matter to survive. And when you have so many large herbivores in one place, there's something you end up losing in the process. Look all around here. There's something you might notice. The grass is always short. There's nothing growing here except grass and the trees that are already quite old. You notice the neat line underneath all of these trees. It seems very uniform, doesn't it? This is because this is the very highest point these deer can reach to munch. It's not just the red's fault, not at all. There are actually 6 different established species here in the UK when it comes to deer, and only 2 of those, the red and the roe, are actually native. The invasive species also include this fallow deer, Dama dama. You can see night and day difference between the vegetation behind this fence and what is out exposed to the deer. Now, deer fences aren't a great solution in the wild either, because many can just jump it, and it stops the natural processes of deer being able to go into woodland and open them up a bit. This helps prevent any one species of plant becoming too dominant, and it helps make the landscape more dynamic. How do we get the best of both worlds? How do we get large herbivores such as deer to be able to move through landscapes and open them up, make them more dynamic, without making them barren landscapes, kind of wet deserts? What wild deer, especially red deer in the UK, need are predators. Wild, natural predators that keep them on the move. This is called a landscape of fear. While that very well won't be applicable within a park like this, in the wild, it is really our only solution to make these guys go from being pests to well-rounded members of the ecosystem once more.